Sometimes our customers face challenges they don't know how to overcome. A standard motor may not be the most suitable solution for high dynamic and high-speed applications. There are also other applications where the gearbox, belts and other mechanical systems can be avoided to provide an optimal and more efficient solution. At VASCAT we specialize in providing customized motor solutions for these types of applications. 50 years of working with our customers in their highly dynamic applications gives us the experience to succeed. VASCAT's know-how is a mix of traditional manufacturing, handcrafted quality motors and continuous innovation.
Our doors are open to your new challenge.